Cześć wszystkim, nazywam się Paweł Buczek, witaj na kanale Na Muchę. Ze mną rzeka Towy w Walii. Dzięki stronie internetowej Fishpal udało nam się załatwić wyjściówki, które kosztowało nas 25 funtów. Wybraliśmy się na łososie, dlatego dzisiaj mam ze sobą wędkę łososiową oraz na pstrągi morskie. Serdecznie zapraszam Was na film.
River Towy.
Yeah, River Towy. At Llyn Brianne.
Yeah?
What you'd normally do is get in there where the fast water is,
Uh-huh.
and the salmon will be lying along the bank in that deeper, faster water,
Okay.
and you wade down as far as you can and keep casting into it, and then just wade down. You can see there's a bar, a shallow bar.
Yes, it is. Yeah, I see it.
And when the river's real low, this is dry, all this big here.
Yeah.
And then you fish down the fast bit, and then we turn around and fish down that piece there, the far side, until the fast water,
Uh-huh.
and then we go down and fish in that hole there
Okay.
on that side. That's where the deep water is, up into that tree.
All right.
Because if there's any salmon coming through, they'll go through past that tree and lie in that water there, and then come up this, and then lie in here before they go up that other bit. And that's where stop, and that's where you ambush them in the stopping places. See, my opinion is always the best place to fish is the first place you fish.
Okay.
So the best place to fish will be where those two rivers meet.
Okay. So you want to go a little bit further then?
I would, because if we start fishing here, and we could lose hours and hours, but every time you got two waters meeting, the salmon stop, because they've got to decide which one they're going to go up.
Oh, okay.
So they got two different
Directions.
Yeah, so they'll mostly come up this one, but they still have to stop and go, which way shall I go? And they sniff the water, and then they'll come up this one.
Okay.
Same with the sea trout. So
Yep. No props. So shall we go a little bit further and have a
go
look
down
how they
and
meet
find where
the rivers
where the
meeting there?
Brianne meets it. Yeah.
All right.
And that'll go bump in
So you
there.
reckon that would be the best spot to go as a finish place?
Yeah, finished place. Right.
So you can say that he's hiding here the salmons because it's deep pool in here, right on the
That's
end of
right,
fast
yeah.
water, yeah?
So you'll chuck your line across there to get some speed into it,
Yep.
and it'll come round into that, and then hopefully the salmons will be in here and they'll grab it.
So which species of the fishes you can expect in here then?
This will be salmon, sewin, that sea trout, and brown trout. That's all that's in these rivers.
Okay.
You can see the colour of it. That peaty colour is because it's been raining up in the mountains, and it's just that. It's peat. That's why it goes that tea colour.
Mm.
But that's not dirty. Not like when the white.
No,
goes
no, no,
brown.
no. But like I was expected, you know, there will be like in high mountains, much more clear, crystal water.
Oh,
It
no,
is
no.
clear, but it's like a brownish colour.
That's right. It's tinted with like almost tea coloured.
Yeah.
And that's the same in Scotland. You'll see that colour in all the, or even the little tiny streams of. We're up there.
Interesting. Alright, off we go. So here's another beautiful pool, which you can expect the fish.
Yeah, it would have been a great pool if it weren't for the fact that there's a tree fell in it here.
Yeah, and there's another one in the
over
water.
there, and another one there. So it's ruined the pool, really.
Yeah.
The salmon will find a way by. Look, they'll come through there, up to here and round that. And the sea trout. Haven't seen any yet.
So we're looking for the deep pool.
On the right corner, after where the Brianne comes into it, that's where a fish was lost earlier in the week.
Right.
So we got a chance.
Well, always we can find the mushrooms in the forest. So that is two rivers joining together. And apparently a little bit further is the salmons there. Can't see the river. I smell the river.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm going behind you, so I can't how to tell. Oh, it's a beautiful place. You see, we got even sitting place, John. Oh, what's a river. Beautiful here. I think you should have started from here, mate.
This is a good place to sort of fish.
Okay.
All the way down through here. You think, oh no, it's no good, it's no good. Right there is a good spot because they are running this, and they'll come out of the fast water, stop, and think, oh, that's that. Oh, I'm knackered now, hold on a second. Same as that island,
Yeah.
same there. They'll hide in that island.
You think he's able to cross it, that river, to go on the island to try to from the other side? So we stay on that side, on the bank.
You've got to stay this side, you won't cross that.
Right then.
Those rocks are slippy as shit.
Okay.
What we've got to do is to fish down this.
So what's the way to set up the salmon rod there? So you put it through first the running line, and then you put it leader.
This is a sink tip.
Okay.
That's
How long can it must be on?
This is not very long one. This is only about 4 foot long.
Okay.
This is a floating line, and then a sink tip, and then you'll put on about 6 foot of heavy duty line.
So you got a special boxes with the fly zone.
Yeah.
So all of them, they are only for the salmon and the sea trouts. Yeah.
Mainly salmon, that one.
Wow. Looks well colourful, and most of it then tubed.
That's a Francis. Call that a Francis. That one you've got in your hand there.
Looks very nice. Colourful.
Yeah. And this
Flashy.
is a willy gun tube.
And you put it only one fly on the end of the line.
I do for this. I mean, some people salmon fishing or use a dropper, but I've never actually caught a fish when I've had 2 flies on.
So show me how to start it then.
Yeah.
Beware, I'm behind you on your left. I guess you're not casting with this long rod. You just make it thicker. Okay. I see you make a D-loop. Okay. Got it. So how you know when you got a fish on?
Just stops, you'll know.
So you not touch the line at all?
Never.
Wow. Wow. Look
Don't
like
have to
double.
worry about backcast.
No, yes, true. No, czas popraktykować troszeczkę Johna wędką. O, pierwszy rzut, już się zahaczyłem. A, przeszło. To tylko tak łatwo wygląda. Wędka jest strasznie długa, ciężka, jak dwuręczny miecz. To jest trudniejsze niż myślałem. Podnieść wędkę, przerzucić za siebie całość i dopiero rzucić. Potrzebuję ze 2 godzinki, żeby się nauczyć tej techniki, ale łatwe to nie jest. Zwłaszcza, że ta wędka waży chyba z dobre 5 kg. Jeden na 5 razy udaje mi się zrobić ten wyrzut. Ale się udaje, to najważniejsze. I trzeba będzie zmienić miejscówkę. John już na mnie czeka. Pójdziemy trochę dalej. Także w tym miejscu się nie udało. No cóż, pójdziemy dalej. Look at them plants here. What the flowers.
Himalayan balsam.
Absolutely beautiful. The banks look like.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
People don't like them because they're foreign. They were supposed to be ornamental, and they got out and they cover all the riverbanks everywhere. But the thing is, the amount of bumblebees.
Yeah, the life wildlife.
All the time.
I know. One was sit down on me. I was thought it's a helicopter.
That'd be good.
Ja, John mi pożyczył swoją wędkę. To jest Felta Salmon Fly AFTM 10-11. No to wszystko się wyjaśnia. 4 metry i 20 cm. Moja żyłka, którą mam tu nałożoną, to główna pływająca, ona jest 0,7, dlatego mi tak strasznie ciężko rzuty robić. John ma założoną, ma bardzo podobną, ale on ma żyłkę założoną chyba 10, albo jak mniej więcej 11 chyba. Jest strasznie ciężka, gruba żyłka. A to właśnie, że jest ciężka, powoduje dalekie wyrzuty. Właśnie się stało to, czego się obawiałem. Rozkręciła mi się wędka przy zarzucie. Kawał przodu mi odleciał. Na całe szczęście John tam jest z przodu. Krzyknąłem do niego w razie czego, żeby łapał. No chyba by mi tego nie wybaczył. Teraz przy każdym zrzucie muszę sprawdzać, czy wędka się trzyma w całości. Jak z nim rozmawiałem, z Johnem, mówi, że za każdym razem jak jedzie na łososie, to sobie klei taśmą te kawałki w której się składa ta wędka. Bo przy każdym rzutach gubi kawałek. Już teraz wiem, o czym mówił.
So this is me and Pav here today at the River Towy. We're at Nantgaredig and we got the tickets off Fishpal, £25 a day. The salmon, sewin or sea trout as we call them, and brown trout in here. It's just finding them, of course, it's always the thing. But it's a beautiful bit of river. This is Pav's first time with the big rods.
And I cast it like a pro.
He's casting well.
Very good teacher.
He's I don't know. He's a good teacher, but it's not easy to do. But he's doing well for a beginner, and he likes my rod, don't you?
Yes, I do, because he does not know how to lie on air.
That's right, and that's what you need when you're spay casting. But it's a different technique to what we're used to, what Pav's used to. Completely different. It's like a giant roll cast. Ooh, straight across. And then you just let the fly come round in the water. And if a salmon takes it, you'll know about it straight away. Don't strike, just wait for the fish to take it, then lift gently into it. And it'll probably go mad and try and drag you out to sea. That's what we hope for. We haven't seen a fish yet, which is just the way it goes with us. But it is a beautiful day and it's a beautiful place. Oh, casting like a god. Like as if you were grown up doing it. When you go back to your 9-foot rod, it'll be like fishing with a toothpick. So when you're finished, when you're casting, that very last bit, aim it at the top of the trees, the rod. Cast it not into the river, at the top of the trees. More welly. More welly. Yeah. It's like you ate them trees. You're going to hit them trees with it. Yeah,
Właśnie zauważyłem rybę. Dokładnie tam, w tamtym miejscu, bardzo daleko. Parę razy zrobiła takiego, dookoła się o siebie obkręciła. Na pewno tam jest. John jak ją zobaczył, to już tam rzuca. What's the matter, John? Oh no! Your favorite fly is on the tree.
Oh no! I got him!
Yay! Safe. Jesteśmy już po lunchu, trochę późnym. Zmieniłem wędkę na Sigmę Suprę 10H7 z linką 7. John tam nadal męczy te łososie biedne. Nic mi się nie udaje. Ja przed chwilką złowiłem brązowego pstrąga. No niestety nie udało mi się nagrać. Ale tutaj właśnie na tej końcu szybkiej wody poczułem uderzenie i momentalnie wyciągnąłem pięknego brązowego pstrąga. Nie był duży, bo gdzieś taki koło kilograma. No ale jest chociaż pierwsza ryba dzisiaj, więc ja jestem bardzo zadowolony. No teraz zaczęły pstrągi skakać. Coś mi się wydaje, że chyba się pogoda zmienia i będzie padać. Właśnie tu widziałem, że następny skoczył. Więc albo jestem w dobrym miejscu, albo będzie zmiana pogody. John tutaj do mnie szłapie z tą swoją wielką wędką. No nic, taka wędka łososiowa ma sens, jak są w niej łososie albo pstrągi morskie. Ja żadnego nie widziałem, na całe szczęście wiem, że są tutaj brązowe, więc sobie zapoluję na brązowe. Oj, genialna rzeka, na nimfę, na suchą muchę. Po prostu cudownie.
Hi everyone.
Hey
John,
guys.
how did they go?
No salmon.
no salmon. And me, I did try. I love the rod.
Yeah.
The salmon rod experience there was absolutely brilliant. I love it.
Yeah.
Make a huge mistake with the wrong line and doesn't match to my rod, and I was struggling that day.
Yeah.
But after lunch, thanks God, I decided to change the rod for the typical flying fishing, and I had a 10 foot hash 7 with a 7 line on, and I had it straight away 2 grams.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I got some fish
That's
today.
it, yeah. But you did manage to cast this.
Yes,
piece,
I did. Yes, I did.
So you got the hang of it and you enjoyed it.
I really did. Yes. Fortunately, there was no salmon for me.
No, I haven't seen any salmon, but it doesn't matter. I mean, if there was a bit more water, if it was raining today, because there's a full moon, there's high tides, we would have a chance. I know there was a fish hook last week on this beach around on the Llandovery beach. Llandovery beach. But we just come and it's dropped.
Yeah.
It's very low.
But we definitely will be come back here once again.
Yeah.
It's really definitely worth it. What, September time, you reckon?
Yeah. I mean, any time. If we want to come next spring and have a go for a big sewin.
Oh yeah.
Because April, May time, if you come here and fish in the evening, April, May, that'll be like 6 or 7 o'clock. There are some big sewin going through, big sea trout, and you can fish with that rod.
And I'm really happy to fishing with the rod.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
much easier for me with the other rod. I love it, but that punch is easier for me.
Yeah, well, I would use a small rod. I only got this out because there was a chance of salmon.
Big rod,
Yeah.
big balls.
Yes.
Because I got the small one. Tie the lines, everyone.
Cheers, boys.